Today I'm going to do a shout out video. So I'm actually doing it because I'm very bored. So I'm sorry I'm not looking like this, like directly to the camera since I'm using my iPad Air. So yeah, it's pretty big. So the first shout out is to Melanie Perez, which actually only has one video. And go check out the video, she's so funny. Then we have Alejandra Valeria. Go check her channel out. All the channels will be linked down below. Melanie Tolendo. Don't know her, but yeah. Gina and Aisha channel. They have it together. Go subscribe to that. Watch the videos. Subscribe. And subscribe to mine. Stephanie also go check that channel out, and hope you guys enjoyed it.